Yo 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 yo! Hello and welcome. It's Wolf Lopez here. And in this video, this is going to be a very important video. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step, easy, safe, fast way to sell and buy cryptocurrencies on Binance. I have been in cryptocurrency since 2017 and I have literally used this same strategy thousands of times. So it works and it's really easy to execute, and now I'm going to show you how to do it exactly the right way. Okay, so before we start here, remember to hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification so you don't miss any important videos. It's very important. Do it now and let's go. Okay, so the first step is obviously to sign up on Binance. Also, that you can find it on the description. You can save 20%, so go ahead and click that and sign up on Binance, and then after that come to this tutorial. But if you already have a Binance account, let's go. So what you want to do is first off, you obviously must have cryptocurrencies in your Binance account so you can start trading them, so you can sell them. Okay, but if you don't have any cryptocurrencies in your Binance account, all you have to do is come here, buy crypto. You can buy crypto with a bank deposit or credit or debit card. Let's say that you would buy with credit card, debit card. Just click there and straight up you can. It's really fast and easy and it's a no-brainer. Okay, so all you have to do is just come here and just select what you want to buy basically. And I'm in EU, so I'm using euros, but whatever currency you're using, it will automatically just go to the right currency, and then you just select what coin you want to buy. Okay, you can't buy everything with a credit card. So for example, if you can't find the cryptocurrency that you want to buy original, let's say that you want to buy some, for example, I can't see VeChain right here. If you want to buy VeChain or Cardano, you first have to buy either Bitcoin or whatever pairing that cryptocurrency has. So for example, you want to first come to here and go, for example, the classic to see what it trades for, what that cryptocurrency trades for. So when you type in here, for example, let's say that you are going to buy Cardano, you type in here Cardano, where it's ADA, okay, and then you can see, okay, ADA has these different pairings, so BNB, USDT, USD, and USDC. Okay, so you go, oh, okay, so maybe let's go with USDT or BNB. Okay, so now you know that you first have to buy BNB and then trade that into Cardano. So after that, you just go here, back, and you straight up come here and then select BNB and then just buy BNB. All you have just buy it how much ever you want, and after like a second you will see that BNB in your wallet right here. Okay, like I said, you can use also bank straight up with bank account, and that works also really well and fast. But then you will see your BNB right here, so it will be right here. Now to buy different cryptocurrencies, like I said, for example Cardano, all you have to do is go back to classic trade and then classic and then search for ADA and then click ADA/BNB. okay, and now you can see here buy ADA, and when you do the limit, you can like see if you want to like time your or like the price you buy in, but I just usually just market buy, so click here market, so it will just automatically buy it. Okay, whatever the price is, the lowest price is, and then just put how much ADA you want to buy and then just buy it. Okay, that's how you can buy it. Okay, and let me show you, for example, an example of me like doing this. Oh, not quite. I'm going to show you it first. Okay, so that's how you first have to buy some coin, for example BNB or Bitcoin, and then trade that into different coins, because you can't buy all of the coins with your credit card, if that makes sense. I hope it does. But if you're just using or you just want to buy, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum, you just can buy it and leave it there. But anyway, that's that. And that's how you do it. Now I'm going to show you a live example of me doing this. For example, I have Ripple XRP and I want to sell it. So okay, I come here and click trade. You can also see it here. I want to sell my Ripple XRP for Ethereum. So I can either come here and click trade, or I can come here and go to classic and search for XRP. And then I go XRP slash Ethereum here somewhere. Where it is. Okay, so here. I'll do is click that. Okay, so all I do is click that and then just, mark it. You can also market sell or limit sell. Limit sell is that if you want to time the selling, or I just usually, like I said, I just market sell and market buy. Then you just I just going to sell all of my XRP in the, Ethereum, and then I just click sell XRP, and like I see, okay, the total value must be 0.01. So this is what I wanted to show you. You can't trade with like little amounts. You have to be you have to have some, like, you can't trade with just $2. Okay, so you have to add really some funds really, and then you can start selling and buying whatever you want to do. Okay, but that's basically how you do it. Whatever you want to buy, just come here to classic and then just select whatever. For example, like VeChain, if you want to buy with, you see, okay, so here's Bitcoin. You can buy it with Bitcoin, USDT, BUSDT, BNB, and Ethereum. And after that, just come here, either bank deposit, credit card, or you can use these other ones, but I have never used them. I'll use, for example, buy with credit card, and then I'm going to buy the VeChain. I would like buy Bitcoin here, and then trade that Bitcoin into VTC, VAT. For example, now let's pretend that I buy the Bitcoin here, and after that I just go here to classic, and then I go here and type in VeChain, and then click the VeChain slash BTC, and after that I just want to buy VeChain. Then I just go to market and select how much I want to buy. For example, for 50% of the amount of BTC I have, or I can buy with all the BTC I have. Okay, then just click buy, and when you own the width, then it will automatically go, and then you will own the width. Okay, and now let's pretend that you would want to sell that width that you just bought. Now you can just come here and sell it, for example, for BNB. All you have to do is come here and click width slash BNB, and then again market and sell VeChain. Then just select how much you want to sell and click sell. So that's how you can buy and sell different cryptocurrencies. It's really easy once you do it a couple of times, and then you just can take action and do whatever you want with it. Okay, so that's basically how you can buy and sell any cryptocurrency on Binance. Very easy, very beginner friendly. Now do what you want to do. This is not financial advice, and if you want to start buying cryptocurrencies, Binance is a great way to start. Okay, so straight up, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'm here to help you, and you can also sign up on Bitrue there, and you can also opt in for my top 3 picks for 2021 and watch more of my videos. They are very helpful. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Okay.